अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, वंस अगेन वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो आज मैं आपको एमकेट की प्रिपरेशन के हवाले से वीडियो बनाई है। जो स्टूडेंट्स जो हाई कोचिंग सेंटर की फ़ीस अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाते और मतलब जा नहीं पाते, तो उनके लिए मैं कुछ ट्रिक्स एंड टिप्स और ऑथेंटिक वेबसाइट्स लाई हूँ जो 100% वर्क करती हैं। या मेरी जो फ्रेंड है उनकी सिस्टर ने भी मतलब उन वेबसाइट से प्रिपेयर किया था, एंड शी इज़ इन माशाल्लाह डाउ मेडिकल कॉलेज। एंड शी सेलेक्टेड प्रीवियस ईयर, शी वाज सेलेक्टेड इन मेडिकल कॉलेज, एंड सो इट इज़ फर्स्ट ईयर। सो या आई एम सो मतलब admire from her that she had done self study at home. She joined nothing, means उसने कुछ भी ज्वाइन नहीं किया था, कोई भी कोचिंग सेंटर ज्वाइन नहीं किया था। उसने खुद ही सेल्फ स्टडीज़ और वेबसाइट जो मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ उनसे प्रिपेयर किया था। और आज मैं मतलब उनसे ही मैं खुद ही ब्लैंक्स बनाती हूँ वेबसाइट से। उन लोगों ने मुझे रेकमेंड किया है कि उससे वेबसाइट्स ब्लैंक्स बनाए जो 100% ऑथेंटिक है। तो आज मैं आपको वो वेबसाइट्स बताने वाली हूँ जो आपको बहुत हेल्प करने वाली है। तो यार पहले आप सब्सक्राइब के बटन को क्लिक कर दो, और ताकि मेरी हर आने वाली एमकेट वीडियो आपके तक पहुँचे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो। So yeah, I have taken a break from my studies, sitting in the beautiful terrace, enjoying the beautiful view. Wow, what a view! As you know that since morning the rain is continuously happening, so the full sky is heavily loaded with the clouds, and there are predictions that in the night there will also the rain will happen. So yeah, I love whenever rain happen. I love that weather. I really enjoy that weather. So yeah, we should have to take the break from our studies. So I don't know what to say. So yeah, and one thing I want to show that these are the plants that are planted by my mom. She loves to do planting. All the plants are planted by her. Let's take a look at them. So this is money plant, and it's so rare, means these are brought by my mom yesterday. And there's another that my brother planted. He also loves too. So this is another, and these all are, wow, look at this beautiful flower. It's too beautiful. So yeah, this is another one. Yeah, I love the yellow color. It's too unique from others. So yeah, these all are plants because my mom, and especially also my brother included him, he loves do planting. So I am just sitting in my terrace, and I have to take a break because we should not continuously study it. We all should take a break. So अब मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए नीचे जाती हूँ, एंड उसके बाद थोड़ी सी हम वॉक करेंगे, बिकॉज एज यू नो दैट एक्सरसाइज इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट besides studies. So yeah, I will also show you my beautiful garden whenever I get time, because it's too beautiful. I will make a video in it also. So now I'm going to have a tea, because without tea my life is just down here, you know. So now I'm having a tea with my crispy nuggets. It's my favorite. So let's enjoy this. So now I'm gonna tell you all the tips and tricks for MCAT 2K24 preparation. So first of all, I'd like to tell you all that this is the MCAT book that is of Anis Hussain, and this is the book that my parents bought me from Urdu Bazaar, and this is the most important book where all the important MCQs you can easily revise. It includes all the MCQs of past paper, including all the boards, either it's federal or Punjab board. It is including all the boards. So you can buy this book from Urdu Bazaar. You can easily buy from there. It is available. So yeah, it helped me a lot, and now I am preparing from these. It is of second year, and you can also buy for first year. There are two books. So, okay, then now these are the blanks that I made by my own self, and with the help of the website that I'm telling you now. That website, first of all, number one is Spark Learning Spot. This is the website that helped me a lot in making the MCQs. These MCQs are the most repeated one that had come in previous MCAT, and so I recommend this website. Number two website is the Pre-Med. As you all know, that is most popular one, and it also help if anyone can't afford the fees of that Pre-Med, they can also what can you say, enjoy the free. They also offers the free MCQs, and it's limited, means you can and with the help of the website that I'm telling you now. That website, first of all, number one is Spark Learning Spot. This is the website that helped me a lot in making the MCQs. These MCQs are the most repeated one that had come in previous MCAT, and so I recommend this website. Number two website is the Pre-Med. As you all know, that is most popular one, and it also help if anyone can't afford the fees of that Pre-Med, they can also what can you say, enjoy the free. They also offers the free MCQs, and it's limited, means you can grab that MCQs book that's just like first year, and after that they take the fees off. But you can, for some time, you can also make MCQs from that Pre-Med website. Next, number third website you can take help is saidmcat.com. It's the most beneficial website, and it's 100% recommended for all the MCAT aspirants. Because this website, saidmcat.com, it also included all the MCQs of the previous book, included federal as well as Punjab, Lahore board, all the boards, KIPS, all. So I think that this website also authentic, and you can also take help from that. And next, fourth website is, I'm gonna tell you all, that is you can also search on YouTube. You can search that past paper MCQs, then all the videos of the important repeated MCQs. You can take help from them also. It helped me a lot also from them. So yeah, you can also take a platform that is YouTube, that has been popular one, and I think all the students take help from them. Now the fourth website is Top Learning Grid. That website also is beneficial, but they are saying that you have to pay for it. Means it's beneficial. My friend's sister paid for it when she was learning MCAT at home, so she also take help from it. So yeah, and last one is website is Shaja Web. That website is also good. I will recommend it, but it also takes fees. But it's, I think, good one. So these are the website that you can take help from it, and they're 100% authentic, means 100% beneficial. And my friend sister also had taken help from these websites, and she recommended me to use these websites. So yeah, I have shared you all the website, and you can see this. I have made MCQs from that website, and it's helping me more. So these are the website that I have shared with you all, and if you want to ask something about MCAT, you can ask me in the question box. So, and one pro tip, I want to share you all that I think book reading is most important, because MCAT, all the MCQs of MCAT are given from the book. So book reading is most important for you all. Okay. So now I am in my beautiful garden. This is my swimming pool, and it's raining. You can see the drops. Beautiful. आज मम्मा ने क्या बनाया खाने में? मम्मा आज क्या खाने में बनाया है?
मेरे खाने में बनाई है आज बिरयानी।
मेरी फेवरेट बिरयानी बनी है। मतलब आज तो मजा आने वाला है।
मौसम भी अच्छा था, तो मैं सोचा क्यों ना बिरयानी बनाई जाए। बीफ बिरयानी,
मम्मा के हाथ की बिरयानी, उफ,
अब बनाया मैं, टेस्ट करके बताइए।
टेस्टी, यम्मी यार, खाए बगैर मैं बता सकती हूँ बहुत अच्छी बनी है।
तो अब इसको जरा अभी दम करते, सर्व करते, फिर नया बताना कैसी बनी है, ठीक है?
बिरयानी इज रेडी and it really looks so tasty. अब मम्मा डालने लगी हैं।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अब बनाया हमें टेस्ट करके बताएगी कि बहुत वो गर्म हो रही है। टेस्ट करके बताओ कि कैसी बनी।
टेस्ट करके बताती हूँ। सो बिरयानी को अब टेस्ट करते हैं। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। टेस्ट करते हैं। वाह, इतनी गरम गरम हो रही है। टेस्ट करते हैं। तो डिलीशियस यार। मुझे तो पहले से पता था खाने के पहले से कि इतनी टेस्टी, यमी, स्पाइसी, फुल स्पाइसी, क्योंकि मुझे स्पाइसी, आई लाइक स्पाइसी डिशेस। सो बहुत मज़े की बनी है। सो इधर ही वीडियो को एंड करते हैं। सुबह से पढ़ के आई वॉज सो एग्जॉस्टेड, तो आई थिंक अब मैं वीडियो को एंड करने का वक्त आ गया। और इधर मैं टीवी देख रही थी खाने के साथ साथ। So I hope you like my video, and this video will help you a lot. So Allah Hafiz, सब्सक्राइब का बटन दबा दीजिएगा और लाइक कर दीजिएगा।